Hello students, today we will practice Information Technology Previous Year Question Paper Solution Part 2. Section B. Question 6. How can cultural differences be a barrier to effective communication? Answer. People sometimes make stereotypical assumptions about others based on their cultural background. This leads to difference in opinions and can be a major barrier to effective communication. It helps us in converting our strength into an exceptional talent. Or, cultural barriers is when people of different cultures are unable to understand each other's customs, resulting in inconveniences and difficulties, which leads to barriers in effective communication. Question 7. Explain any two misconceptions about entrepreneurship. Answer. Misconceptions about entrepreneurship are: 1. Every business idea needs to be unique or special. 2. A person needs a lot of money to start a business. 3. Only a person having a big business is an entrepreneur. 4. Entrepreneurs are born, not made. 5. Successful entrepreneurs possess innate extraordinary qualities that cannot be learned. 6. Entrepreneurs are mainly motivated to get rich. 7. Entrepreneurs always make profit. Question 8. Briefly discuss the significance of time management skills in order to succeed in life. Answer. When one is clear on the best use of time, one becomes more focused and productive. Good. Time management helps in achieving bigger goals, reduces procrastination and increases productivity. As a result, more chances of getting success in life. Or, time management is an important life skill that helps you make the most of your time without affecting your mental health. It can help you achieve your goals, maintain a healthy work-life balance, and improve your overall productivity. Or, time management skills help you reduce stress and prioritize your time. Effective time management clarifies your goals and prioritizes your most important tasks. As a result, you have more time to achieve bigger and better results. Question 9. Very often we hear about spam mails. Explain what are spam mails and what should be done with such mails. Answer. Spam mails. Definition. When we get mails from companies who are advertising a product or trying to attract you to their website, such mails are called spam. Or, spam emails, also known as junk mails, are unwanted emails that are sent from unknown sources without the recipient's consent. They are often sent for commercial purposes and can be sent in large volumes. Ways to handle spam mails: any one of the following. Report the email as spam. Block spam email addresses. Use an email alias. Change your email privacy settings. Unsubscribe from unwanted newsletters or mailing lists. Keep your email address private. Use a third-party spam filter. Never respond to spam mails. Delete spam mails on a regular basis. Question 10. Mention any two ways to get clean and affordable energy. Answer. Ways to get clean and affordable energy. Using solar power, i.e., power generated using the sun, does not cause pollution as it does not require burning of non-renewable fuels, such as coal. Use of biogas is also an eco-friendly alternative to natural gas. Wind energy is a form that uses the power of wind to generate electricity. Hydropower energy is generated using force of running water. Question 11. Write the main steps to group drawing objects in Writer. Answer. To group drawing objects. I. Select one object. Hold down the Shift key and select the others which need to be included in the group. 2. Hover the mouse pointer over one of the objects and choose Format GROUP. From the new bar, or right-click and choose Group from the pop-up menu. Question 12. What is the purpose of consolidating data in spreadsheets? Discuss briefly. Answer. Data consolidation allows you to gather together your data from separate worksheets workbooks into a master worksheet. Or data consolidation function takes data from a series of worksheets or workbooks and summarizes it into a single worksheet that you can update easily. Question 13. Differentiate between LAN and WAN. Answer. LAN. It stands for Local Area Network. It connects computers and devices in a limited geographical area. Example, a network at home, school, computer laboratory, office building, or closely positioned group of buildings. It is the smallest network. WAN. It stands for Wide Area Network. It covers a broad area, i.e., any network that links across metropolitan, regional, or national boundaries. The Internet is the most popular example of WAN. It is the largest network. Question 14. What are the two parts of a cell reference while referencing data on other sheets? Explain with an example. Answer. The reference has two parts. 1. The sheet name enclosed within single quotes. Though the cell reference address. Both the parts are separated by a period, dot, or exclamatory mark. Syntax, sheet name, dot cell address. For example, savings account. F theme. In this example, savings account is the name of the sheet and it is enclosed in single quotes. Whereas F3 is the cell of the sheet that is being referenced. Question 15. Give any two benefits of creating relationships between tables in a database. Answer. Two benefits are: saves time as there is no need to enter the same data in separate tables. It helps in summarizing data from related tables. It reduces data redundancy. It reduces data inconsistency. It maintains data integrity. It allows data sharing among all database users. It allows centralized control of data. Thank you for watching.